When precision matters, a reliable dial indicator becomes an essential tool in any machinist's arsenal. In this video, we'll review the top 5 dial indicators available on Amazon. First up is the QNKAA dial indicator with magnetic base holder, an all-in-one kit that consistently ranks among Amazon's best sellers. This analog dial indicator offers a measurement range of 0 to 1 inch with a 0.001 inch graduation, making it ideal for general machining, tool alignment, and equipment calibration. The included magnetic base is strong and stable, with a fine adjustment arm that lets you dial in measurements with accuracy and control. Users appreciate the easy-to-read dial, durable build, and the fact that you get both the indicator and base in one package. For machinists working on milling machines, lathes, or surface grinders, this kit offers dependable accuracy at a budget-friendly price. It's especially popular with hobbyists and entry-level users who want solid performance without spending a fortune. Next is the NEOTECK DTI electronic digital dial indicator, which brings digital precision to the table with a resolution of 0.0005 inches. Unlike analog dials, this model features an easy-to-read LCD display that switches between metric and imperial units at the press of a button. It's ideal for machinists who need highly precise measurements without straining their eyes to interpret analog readings. This indicator is often used for CNC machine calibration, 3D printer bed leveling, or fine-tuning jigs and fixtures. It's powered by a standard battery and features a zero reset function for repeated measurements. Reviewers love its accuracy, value, and simple operation. If you prefer digital feedback or often work in both millimeters and inches, the NEOTECK DTI is a practical, affordable solution. Our third pick is the CLOCKWISE Tools DIMR 0105 dial indicator with magnetic base stand, another combo kit that emphasizes ease of use and repeatable measurements. With a standard 0 to 1 inch range and 0.001 inch accuracy, it delivers consistent performance for a variety of machine shop tasks. What sets this kit apart is its robust magnetic stand, which locks securely onto metal surfaces and provides a firm platform for the indicator. This stability is key for accurate readings, particularly when aligning machine parts or measuring runout. The dial features clear graduations and a shock-resistant housing, making it suitable for daily use in busy workspaces. For users who want a quality indicator with a dependable stand right out of the box, this CLOCKWISE Tools kit strikes the right balance between price and performance. Coming in at number 4 is the ACCUSIZE Industrial Tools 0 to 1 inch dial indicator, a standout for those seeking precision at an entry-level price. With a finer 0.0005 inch graduation, this indicator offers more detailed feedback than standard models. It's well suited for tasks that demand tighter tolerances, such as surface finish inspections, concentricity checks, and small part setups. The dial is large, clear, and easy to read, with a smooth plunger mechanism that operates reliably even under frequent use. While it doesn't come with a base, it's compatible with most standard magnetic stands, giving users flexibility to mix and match with existing setups. Machinists frequently comment on the smooth movement, solid construction, and excellent repeatability. For those who need higher resolution on a modest budget, the ACCUSIZE model is a smart buy. Finally, we have the MITUTOYO 513-402-10E dial test indicator, a premium-grade tool built for professionals who won't compromise on accuracy. MITUTOYO is one of the most trusted names in precision metrology, and this dial test indicator lives up to that reputation. With a measurement accuracy of 0.0002 inches and a measurement range of up to 0.03 inches, it's ideal for tasks such as indicating machine spindles, checking runout, or dialing in fixtures. Unlike plunger-style indicators, this model uses a lever arm that's easier to position in tight spaces. It's incredibly responsive and engineered for long-term use, with replaceable components and support for calibration services. While it comes at a higher price, professionals know the difference a precision tool like this can make when working with high-tolerance parts. It's a long-term investment that pays off in reliability, consistency, and craftsmanship. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more in-depth reviews and shop-tested recommendations to keep your tools and your work dialed in.